How to delete HDFC Mobile Banking app. First of all, go to your phone settings app, scroll down and find the apps or apps and notifications section. Tap on it to open the list of installed apps. Next, scroll through the list and look for the HDFC Mobile Banking app. Once you find it, tap on the app name. Now, you will see options related to the app. Tap on the uninstall button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to uninstall the app. Confirm by tapping OK or Yes. The app will then be deleted from your device. This removes the HDFC Mobile Banking app completely, freeing up space on your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to delete the HDFC Mobile Banking app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.